Hey, we're here at Infinity Falls at SeaWorld Orlando. This is my second time on the ride. Let's see what's going on. This is a very whitewatery ride. This raft ride is rough and it's fun, so let's do it. Right when from the start, you could see that there are, so slow, but there's flamingos here for your enjoyment on the right-hand side. Beautiful flamingos. But now here's where it starts. Ah! Am I gonna get wet? Yes. Whoa! Whoa! That's wet. Whoa! Class 4 rapids here. Lift up your feet, lift up your feet. Oh wow, this dip is like intense here. Ah! Whoa! Yeah, you don't want to be cut on that side of the dip. Unless you want to get wet. Music. There it is. Oh, look at those geysers over there. They kind of like, oh, look, it's like, there's geysers over here. And there's like a steady stream right here. So you get wet here at this incline. Here we go. There goes the geyser. And there goes somebody falling. Whoop. Oh no! That one got me. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the lift working. You go up so fast, it's so awesome. And then, that's what's awaiting us. It's so much fun. And you think you're gonna get wet here at the end once you go up, but it's not so bad. Although, that churning system there is like intense. Uh-oh, another dip! Oh great, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna, oh! Not too bad. Oh wow. All right, here we're coming up on the lift after a little bit more rapids. Whoa! This is like a 1, 2, 3 kind of deal here. Whoa! Rattles you just before the vertical lift. Look at that, that's awesome. It takes you all the way up really fast. And then goes down, you go down. Whoa! Oh wow, that's awesome, that's so cool. Oh my freaking Lord. Oh great. Oh, this means I'm gonna get it. This means I'm gonna get, so what's cool about this ride is like, you're gonna know the person that's like where I am is gonna get the huge splash. Oh shoot. And we're up. This is good. 40-foot drop! Go! What is it coming? What is it coming? Go! That's fun. Oh, this is fun. This is a refreshing ride, especially hot Florida day. You got the 40-foot drop on the vertical lift there. Get tickets at bestoforlando.com and thanks Thanks for watching.